My brother, Oga dịrị mma na-eke n'orie n'afọ na nkwọ. Jisi n'ike, akwifuru Iseke. Don't worry, Iseke will be recovered. Ebe a recover Orsu Imo, the Iseke must be recovered. Okay? Iseke must be recovered, my brother. You people, I see the type of effort you are putting in. I myself, I'm not sure I will be able to fight this with type of weapons. You see the type of one we surround me here now. Now the kind of ones where they fight. Just like I told them, I told my carpenter butozo that here had Jinaka toy. Mbosaga freeway. Oh, if you to see Dana, oh, because I am not coming to level the playing field. I am coming to tilt it. Tilt it like among with any equality. No anything no buniji. One more gauge day 50 at the very least. And the Jisinike, that's why I nabia just one small nkataka in the repa. Apachazin katake we mark already. We are going to with them. Okay? Let me block one ozu. Lying to our people. We are here to protect you from the Fulani. The Fulanis are coming to take our land. Which land the Fulani won't take again now? Now don't take honor. They are coming to pursue us. Oh, now don't pursue them when Fulani never come. Let's say Fulani people come tomorrow now. Now who they want pursue first? Who then go pursue first now? My people, we should not give them space. When they can amnesty, are you mad? Any amnesty that doesn't involve disarmament is no amnesty, and the woman again shishi. Let me block this person. I'm on name type here. Umuhonya again shishi. Kobo. Umuhonya again shishi until the last school is rebuilt. Umuhonya again shishi until the last market is rebuilt. Umuhonya gafu shishi until the last victim is taken care of. Somebody say, how many of you do you catch? Catch who? It's another be catch mud. Tell any of them to stand and see. Ask them, the ones that are drawing their explosives, where they never see his money, where then they? So we are not in the business of arresting anybody, and nobody will beg you to stop. Are you understanding me now? Nobody is begging you to stop. Do not surrender, because surrendering is futile. It's futile. Okay? You are going. You are going. All of we go. I don't know if Alan Onyema is one of the people making money from the Amnesty Industrial Complex. Okay? I hope he is not, because I heard what they said he told his people in December. Okay? That I even saw the video, not even what they said. I saw this video. Okay? Let me block this food. I saw the video where he was telling his people, oh, may person no use and talk to them. All the people where be there inside bush, no go, they cause them. Like, me, I no go fly airpiece ever again, unless I no see flights. I will never fly airpiece ever again, except there is no other flight flying there. Never. If you hate ESN, you should not fly airpiece. If you hate what is happening in Igbo, you should boycott airpiece. And a regular airpiece, 80,000. Then another ticket, 120. My bank 120. I will never enter airpiece to give you my money, so you continue using it to cover for these people, wrong cover for these people, right? In a talk of federal government, you will take amnesty here. This is a man that benefited how much from the federal government after the lockdown? After the lockdown, how much did he benefit? Billions. Billions of naira. And you are here supporting criminals that are destroying your state. Lil, don't worry, Lil, all of these places. Lil. Our people are in contact with you guys. Okay? Our people are in contact with you guys. you will need to give us some men, because at the end of this operation, that valley has to be occupied. Once that valley is occupied, you will not see them coming there again. And any foreigner, any stranger that is not from Lilu, Iseke, Osumohu, Orsu Imo, you see there, Buonia, Buono the person. Are you understanding me? Any person from Valley that is not from all the communities connected to that valley, Buono the person immediately. The videos, the valley videos, is that some of the videos show the personnel there, and it's against the policy, operational policy, to send photos with the personnel. If you notice, I've been avoiding using posting anything that has a army color or something. It's not advisable. So that's why I can't do it public, but I'm going to give it to some of my guys. Okay. So my people, we really need to, if these people were determined and are still determined to stay in our bushes for years, then we should be determined to stay in those bushes for centuries. Also, quite a cost to 100 years. I got on up that bush 100 years. Are you understanding me? Because once they have that base, they are going to be operating from there. At least since this operation started, you've not heard of any kidnapping along this place. You are not hearing that they are calling somebody to bring money. You are not hearing they are calling somebody to bring a gumbo. Some communities in the Enugu state are paying money for bullet, and they'll be paying it for 3 years. Now, I'm coming. And those of you that are saying, oh, Ijele, come to our place. Come to a place to do what? That you people don't have people? That you people don't have people? Chidera is doing his own in his second. So you are telling me that your community, you don't have anybody that will stand up and say, is that what you're telling me? Eh? If you need help, call. We will give you help. We will give you help. Come join the mother. Come fly with black. What do you need? Ours is to give you that help. Their propaganda. Which propaganda? Is because you are giving into that Biafra. Okay? It's because you are giving in to that Biafra. You have to reject Biafra and everything that comes with it first. Once you reject it, you will be able to see everything with the right moral clarity. So long you are still emotionally attached, oh, it's in Nnamdi Kanu, it's not Biafra. No, without Biafra, that will not be Nnamdi Kanu. So you need to reject it. You will reject and reject it in total. You will reject it completely. Don't be selective. Okay? Please, wherever you are, whatever your community is, call your people in the villages and ask them if people are streaming into your community. Like this person from Amagenewa in Osumohu that is saying they are running into that place. Bring all this information, because now they pursue them, they are going to start running to different villages. And those of you that are from River State, that are from Delta State, be on the lookout. Okay? Be on the lookout. When you see new faces, military-aged Igbo men, or guys, anybody from nowhere that is just moving in into your neighborhood, call me. Okay? Call me. If possible, you have photos of them, bring it. Let's go after them, one after the other. We will go after them, each and every single one of them. They will not rest. You hear me? They will not rest. None of them. Okay? We need to speak up, my people, and take over our land from them. Like I said, the Mother Valley is taken, so they will be running to many places. Those of you from Okigwe LGA, those of you from Idato North LGA, those of you from Mbitolu LGA, those of you from Njaba LGA, those of you from Ihiala LGA, those of you from Obadu LGA, please be on the lookout. Any illegal worker, let me know. Should be they say they want fight. Unugalo at all. Akuna at all. You said you already. Before you put the lives of our people in jeopardy, in peril, we will finish you people. This is now civil war, intra-Igbo civil war, and it's between those that are supporting this evil and the Igbo land and those that are against it. There are no two ways about it. Biafra is a fraud. So we are going after all these people, and you stop yoking yourself to that cause. Yeah? Imagine where we would have been by now. How many wealthy men did they render hopeless now? Do you know there are people that are still paying the debts they incurred just to free themselves from the hands of these guys? Go and ask. Many people loaned their friends' family money to remove them from these type of ESN camps. Till date, those their friends have not paid that money back. And it's not because they don't want to pay. It's because they don't have it. Because once you leave that camp, you will need to run away first. Okay? Are you understanding me? We need to clear this. This has to end once and for all. And we will then go after the politicians that use them. I swear. You see all those ones where they South Africa, where they give all this order, who to buy, who to free. When I think say you go end with all these bushmeat in the bushes, it's a lie. It will not end with all these bushmeat in the forest. Eh? Because Keneru more biotica. See an Egua is said to go. Egua no said to go. Everybody in the Anambra, if you people want to solve Anambra problem, it's very easy. Please, I am not the savior of Igbo land. No one is. There is no single person strong enough to be savior of Ali Igbo. They know born you where. This is a land with strong men, with powerful men. Forget that they use confusion to fool us. There is nobody who can be a supreme leader in Igbo land. They know born you where. They know born your use father where. There is nobody. And there is nobody that is beyond criticism. You think that Peter Obi will survive this thing? This is peaceful neighbor. See how peaceful they look. Like I said, nobody will be out of bounds. Nobody. I expect. Everybody I group to Oru Obuna. Oru Obuna they do so don't you? Oru I need the new I. Nkeroro, Owama, Nkeroro, Kamaria. Onye ọbụla ga-etenda his stewardship na Igbo. If with this Biafra nonsense maybe na Igbo, onye ọbụla ga-ekwu ebe ọkwụ on this matter. Okay? Unu bịa unu jeje kpụpụta ofe arụsị apịrị apị si anyị bụ ndị Igbo bịa dị afọ wetọ ndụ agbagbukwe unu. Air Force today now, I be like say you don't know the mission where we dey like this. Ask people from Iseke, Nilu, and Osumogu now. May they tell you. He get the day where we know they even come down. They nearly fire our own men, no? Because they saw them with guns, and one of them wanted to run away. Of which they go use AA. Bath them. They for bath them with AA. So my people, there are things we need to ban in our place. No single person. There is no supreme leader in an Igbo anywhere. That person. Nobody should ever answer that name. Anybody that answers that name should be immediately. Anybody that answers Messiah in Anu should be hanged. Onye ọbụla mepere ọnụ sị na bụ Savior ndị Igbo, a ga-akwụ ya ụdọ. Ma mụnwa ma onye ọbụla. Save who? Who are you in a save ndị Igbo? Ịmakwa otu ada Igbo ha, ma mmadụ onye nọ n'ala Igbo, ma mee. Ụmụ anyị ma ndị na-abroad, like onye ka ị bụ. Onye ka ị bụ? Ị na-aza supreme leader. Supreme leader bụkwa nne gị. Supreme leader kpọkwa ayọ ịkpụgwa ihe nne gị die. Ị na-azagbu onwe gị na supreme leader. Na-enye gị ọda bụkwa gị. Ọda bụ nne na nna gị die. Unu na-abịa ite ọnụ anyị to what we are not. That's why they are telling you are Biafra. They want to use Biafra to supplant Igbo. Because in Igbo, you cannot control people like animals. But in Biafra, you can. Command and control. There is nothing more antithetical to Igbo-ness than that. Commander, in our command, you don't, in our control only. In our control only. Same supreme leader. Supreme leader, please, nobody should come here and type Savior of Ndibu. Nobody should come here and type Messiah. In Ijele nation, we ban it completely. Don't ever use it even as a joke. Thank you so much, my people. I appreciate. Let's rejoice. Let's go make merry this night.